Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Deshpande. In this video, we are going to see very important topic related to French wines, that is French wine laws. As the history suggests, French started making wines before 6th century BC, even much before the Romans brought the art of winemaking to France. The wines from France are considered as the best in the world in terms of quality and superiority. Now, what is that which makes French wines the best in the world? Of course, there are many factors which contribute to persistent quality and consistency, such as weather, soil, viticulture, vinification, and plethora of experience in winemaking over the centuries. Amongst many of these factors, one of the vital factors is French wine laws, which are stringent but at the same time ensures quality in cultivation of grapes as well as in making wine. Before we start with the French wine laws, let's look at the wine map of France. You can see some of the important wine regions like Alsace, Bourgogne, Beaujolais, Rhône, Languedoc-Roussillon, Bordeaux, Loire, and world famous sparkling wine producing Champagne region. Now, let us look at the French wine laws. French wine laws are benchmark for other countries to follow while manufacturing the wines. The French are considered as pioneers in modern as well as ancient winemaking. The standards which are laid down in France about making wine, the other countries are following while making the wine. The objectives of the laws are to prevent fraud and unlawful practices, to lay guidelines for manufacturers in maintaining highest standards of quality. French wine laws are classified wines into 4 different categories. Now let's look at these 4 categories one by one. Vin de table, vin du pays, vin de limité de qualité supérieure, VDQS. Appellation d'origine contrôlée, AOC, or appellation contrôlée, AC. Vin de table. These are basic wines of France or also table wines of France. This accounts for 40% of total wines manufactured in France. There is no restriction of grape varieties to be used and on its yields, meaning wine is manufactured from any grape varieties, and also there is no emphasis on yields, that is quantity of grapes per hectare. The labels of these wines don't name area or a village of production and also vintage year. Labels only feature produit de France in general, that is, produce of France is mentioned on the label. The wines are sold in carafe, that is jug, or in glass, in even roadside cafes all over the France. Now let's look at the label of vin de table. L'Oeil Toquique red table wine. Right at the top you can see produce of France is mentioned. Vin du pays. Local or country wines in France meant for everyday consumption. These wines are of medium quality. Must be made from approved grapes from a specific region. These wines must have minimum alcohol content as per the standards. Minimum alcohol level here means 9 to 10% alcohol by volume, below which wines are not accepted or classified. Now let's look at the Vin du Pays label. Chardonnay 2009 Podu de France. Vin délimité de qualité supérieure VDQS. These are wines of superior quality produced in delimited areas. Delimited means fixed or within the boundaries of a particular region or a village. This labeling guarantees following things. Area of production, a particular or a specific area where grapes are cultivated. Grape varieties used. Minimum alcohol content in the wine. Methods of viticulture and vinification. Viticulture is cultivation of grapes in the vineyards, and vinification is actual manufacturing process of wine beginning from pressing, fermentation to maturing, aging and bottling. However, this category is being phased out so slowly as the wines of this category are upgraded to AOC status, which is the topmost in the France. Now let's look at VDQS label. Budget, Mondiaux, Podu de France. Appellation d'origine contrôlée AOC or Appellation contrôlée AC. Appellation means area or a region. It is the topmost standards of quality wine ranking in France. This label guarantees following things. The area of production, a specific area or a region. The grape varieties used. Pruning and cultivation methods, that is viticulture, used. Pruning is removing dead or diseased parts of plants to allow growth of new parts to maintain the quality. Maximum yield, that is grapes per hectare. Here the quantity of grapes is least important as efforts are concentrated to have highest quality of grapes in terms of natural yeast or bloom appearance, sugar content and acidity level, etc. Minimum alcohol content. methods of vinification and preservation. Now let's look at the label of AOC. Chateau Lafite Hochschild 1977 Pauillac. This is a Grand Cru wine from Medoc, which is a sub-region of Bordeaux. This is it for now. I hope you will understand this French wine law in a better manner after watching this video. If you like the video, kindly comment on it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe to our Novels NIBR CHM City YouTube channel for more food and beverage service related videos. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.